issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Minooka, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Joliet, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Romeoville, Plainfield, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Alfib, Madison, Mokina, Frankfort, Lamont, Midlothian, Channahon, Minooka, Worth, Willow Springs, and Ingalls Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.